You've got property, you've got credit, you've got collateral. You want to start with banks. You tell the banks what you want to do. Some banks have investor loans where they provide you the money to buy the house, fix it up. And if you don't sell it, it will convert into what's called a portfolio loan to where you could rent it out. And a portfolio loan is just a loan that the bank holds in their investment portfolio. They don't sell it to the secondary market, Freddie and Fannie. They hold it in-house, and it's usually a 5 or 7 year loan, maybe with a balloon on it somewhere. And it's typically interest only. So that's really good. And they'll do it per house. And then you can just borrow on as many houses as you can find as long as they're selling and they're cash flowing. And then they'll just keep doing them over and over, but they originate them. And then there's some banks that have credit facilities where you do the origination once on, say, $1 billion, and then you can just use that over and over. Those are builder lines of credit. There's also lending companies that are private lending companies that do the same thing. There's a lot of private lenders out there that have these credit lines to where they can do the same thing. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to try to go raise that from private investors all at one time, take the money all at one time and use it, because you're going to be paying interest whether you're using it or not. So the best thing to do is look at it that way. What is my pool of available capital based on the list of lenders that I have and how much they are lending or willing to lend? That's your credit line. And then you just use it as you need it as you go along. And then the money's constantly coming and going.